In this video, I'll show you how to reconcile accounts in Xero Accounting. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're inside, go to the Accounting menu and click Bank Accounts. Next, select the bank account you want to reconcile. This will open the bank reconciliation screen where Xero shows your imported bank transactions. After that, review each transaction on the left side and match it with the correct invoice, bill, or expense on the right side. Now, if Xero finds a match automatically, simply click OK to confirm the reconciliation. If there is no match, click Create or Find and Match to manually link the transaction to the correct record. Next, for transactions that are not recorded yet, create a new invoice, bill, or spend money transaction directly from the reconciliation screen. After that, continue going through each transaction until your bank statement is fully reconciled. Now check the balance at the top to make sure your bank account is fully balanced and no unmatched transactions remain. Finally, review your reports in Xero to confirm that all reconciled transactions are correctly recorded in your accounting system. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to reconcile accounts in Xero Accounting. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.